Welcome to the AAA tutorial for inputting fuselage geometry using the AAA geometry import files. Our objective here is to expedite your airplane design by using existing fuselage and nacelle geometry as a starting point for your AAA model. There are only two steps here that need to be completed during this tutorial. You can find them below. Step 1 will be to download a AAA geometry import file from the DAR Corporation website. We will browse to the AAA import files webpage. We'll type www.darcorp.com into the browser, go to Software, AAA, and on the left we'll see AAA import files. Here you'll see the AAA body geometry import file that is used in the AAA tutorial for inputting fuselage geometry from CAD. This organizes the coordinates of the splines that define your body geometry into a AAA-ready import file. Below, you will also find the download links for different categories of fuselage and nacelle geometry import files. Select the fuselage import file that you would like to use based on the type of airplane that you are designing. For instance, if you're designing a business jet, we can download the business jet import file, which will give us the fuselage geometry for the Cessna CJ2 in a AAA-ready import file. We'll open the file so that you can see how it looks. The spreadsheet includes instructions and a graphic of the fuselage. Note, the instructions indicate the number of fuselage stations that you will need to input into AAA before importing. Let's save this file into our working folder so that we can import it into AAA in the next step. For step 2, we'll import the fuselage geometry into a new AAA model. So let's launch AAA. And navigate to the fuselage geometry module. If you haven't already set up the configuration, then you will be prompted to fill out the necessary inputs to open the module. We'll fast forward through this to make this quick. Once in the fuselage geometry module, fill out the inputs. Make sure that the number of fuselage stations matches the number of fuselage stations from the import file. If we remember, the number was 61. Now we can import the geometry file that we downloaded from the DAR Corporation website. Now we can hit Calculate, and we'll see the outputs in the rest of the table populate. To check our work, we can hit Plot. Now we can see a profile side view of the fuselage. It looks just like the Cessna CJ2, so our import was successful. At this point, you can continue your design using the fuselage geometry as is, or you can customize the shape of your fuselage to suit your design by adjusting the coordinates to change the length, width, and height, and you can double-click inside a fuselage station to adjust the cross-sections. Note that this exact same process can be used for the nacelle geometry import files that you can download from the web page. Taking advantage of the AAA geometry import files can help expedite your design by allowing you to use existing fuselage and nacelle geometry as a starting point for your AAA model. We hope you found this tutorial useful. If you have any questions or tutorial requests, then please contact us through our website. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then please like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive updates on the latest AAA tutorials. Thank you.